I'm gonna show you how to set up a crypto trading account where you're able to get all the exotic altcoins you aren't able to get if you live in the United States. If you live in the US, you're probably limited to other exchanges like Coinbase, where there's strict regulation getting coins onboarded to the Coinbase exchange. And with that, you miss out on a lot of opportunity where some of these other altcoins have skyrocketed in just this year alone, where Bitcoin is actually up over 132%. Things like Caspa are up over 1,600%, which is a exotic altcoin I was able to get here on my MEXC trading account. Now, not only can you get these exotic altcoins, but you can also do leverage trading. So I actually have a couple of trades open right now. I'm in a chain link long and a short trade on another crypto coin, and I can get in, get out, and do day trading on this account. Now, if you want, I can do a full video on leverage trading in the future, but look, my account balance here is about $3,000, and I'm on a 7x leverage. So I can multiply that 3,000 by 7 and come out to almost $21,000 able to be used in the market. Now, leverage trading is pretty risky, and I've been doing it many years, but it's been a great way to make some daily income in and out type of deals. Let's jump into the tutorial, but before we do, I gotta get on my little crypto hacker attire. Let's go and just jump into this with you guys. I'm completely logged out right now, and I'm gonna act as if I'm a brand new person coming in to set up a MEXC account. Check the link below. I will have a MEXC link, and not only will you get a sign up bonus when you sign up through my link, but MEXC is the only exchange with 0% trading fees. It's important to note that big exchanges like KuCoin and Binance didn't require KYC in the past, so you could be completely anonymous. But now they require KYC, which is know your customer. And that's why we're able to use this VPN and get into MEXC, which does not require KYC. Many of the other top crypto YouTubers are talking about it. They're using it, they're trading on it. Before you even create this account, you will have to get your $2 a month VPN. So I have that resource link right down below for you guys. You can get 5 months free, 6 months free here. So it's only $2.59 to use this, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Make sure you're using Google Chrome. Then you can install your extension right up here. I have other extensions for Amazon and stuff. You can type in a location. Spain, Finland, Argentina, their president is super for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency now. El Salvador, you can use these other locations, and then you have no problem setting up your MEXC account. If you're living in the US and you try and sign up without your VPN, it will ban you from making this account pretty much. Get your VPN on and then open MEXC in a new tab, and it will be completely from scratch ready to go. So what you actually also want to do is come in and make a Proton email. This is a very secure, private, encrypted email server that's completely free. So I would recommend pressing on Proton Mail here. I'll have that link below as well for you. And you can get an account set up just like this. This is where I have a lot of my crypto information right here on my Proton Mail. And now come to think of it, I'm actually using a Gmail address. So I'm not sure if Proton Mail works with this, but I do recommend it if you start anything in cryptocurrency, just be encrypted. This is what it's all about with crypto in the first place. If you can't do the Proton Mail, put in a Gmail. I think that's what I had to use to sign up for this. And then the next thing that's gonna pop up is the Google Authenticator code that you're gonna need to do as well. So when you have your phone here, just literally download the app called Authenticator, Google Authenticator app. It looks like this right here. I have my trading view chart right here, which I can actually come in and get my position set up. And then I have, my MEXC account and other accounts. Make sure to also download the Surfshark VPN app on your phone so you can turn that on before you create your MEXC account on your phone. To set up your authenticator code, you just press this plus button at the bottom, scan the QR code MEXC is telling you to scan, and you'll get a special 6-digit number that it refreshes every 10 seconds. So I can just log in just like that. Once your MEXC account is set up and you're logged in, to send money over here, you're gonna need to come over to your wallets button, come down and press spot. You will have to have a Coinbase account set up first. You need to fund money to your Coinbase from your bank, specifically buying the USDC stablecoin. You can then send that right over here to your MEXC account. So you'll type in USDC, you press deposit, and then you can come and choose the network, which I believe Coinbase allows you to use Optimism, and you can do that. So on Coinbase, you just have to make sure you're gonna be sending the USDC on the same network that you choose over here on MEXC. So I chose Optimism, and I can say click to generate address. Now I'm gonna copy this address right here, go into Coinbase, paste the address. So you're gonna withdraw your USDC from Coinbase and deposit it into MEXC, which then you will be able to see it right in your spot account right here. Good luck on your crypto endeavors, and I really look forward to making more videos for you. So if there's anything else you wanna see, let me know. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're looking to take some next steps and actually get started building your own Amazon business, I recommend checking the link below to get my full Amazon course. I will have a free mini course down there with only 9 videos giving you the basics, but the full course is literally 9 hours long. It covers every little bit that you need to know. It's broken down into bite-sized videos that are easy to digest, and it also comes with my mentorship where we can jump on Zoom calls, where I can help you find and source your products so that the chance of success you have out the gate is so much higher than if you've tried this on your own. There's a lot of other courses out there, but these guys don't give you the real mentorship. I guarantee and stand by my reputation to give you the best help I possibly can, and that's how my word gets spread around organically through referrals, and I just want to make you part of the team and make you my next success story. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.